Vegetable stuffed courgettes. Stuffed with a hearty mix of vegetables, these courgettes are a delicious alternative to classic meat stuffed courgettes. Ingredients for 2 people. Courgettes. Stale bread 50 grains. Egg. Large ripe tomatoes. Small onion. Small carrot. Grated Parmigiano cheese 50 grains. Extra virgin olive oil, bel morso to taste. Salt and black pepper. Parsley 1 sprig. Equipment: 1 baking pan, baking paper, 1 knife, 1 cutting board, 1 plate, 1 non-stick pan, 1 blender. Preparation: start by washing and drying the zucchini. Remove the 2 ends and cut them lengthwise, then dig out the pulp with a spoon until you get a space to accommodate the filling. Salt and pepper each half courgette. Put some extra virgin oil in a non-stick pan, then add the finely chopped onion and carrot and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Chop the courgette pulp and add it to the pan along with chopped tomato, and cook for 5 minutes. Add the aromatic herbs toward the end of cooking. Let the sauce cool. In the blender, chop the bread, add the egg, Parmigiano, the sauce made with courgettes and the other vegetables. Salt to taste and mince. Line a baking pan with parchment paper. Fill the courgettes with the vegetable mix, then arrange them in a baking tray. Sprinkle the remaining parmesan and a drizzle of viva oil on top for the gratin. Cook the courgettes in a static preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. Your vegetarian stuffed courgettes are ready to be served. Buon Appetito!